Hey traders! Welcome to Quantphemes, your AI-powered trading agent. In the next 2 minutes, discover how to transform your investment ideas into active strategies. No coding needed, just your curiosity and a few clicks. Start on the homepage. Explore our strategy templates designed for you to build trading strategies with just a few clicks. Just hit Customize Strategy, choose your preferred stocks, and boom! You're testing your own algo in seconds. Prefer a fresh start? Hit Get Started at the top to jump to the chat page, where the real magic begins. The chat page is your AI advisor. Ask anything, like, is now a good time to buy NVIDIA? And get news, technical analysis, and clear next steps. Want a custom strategy? Describe your goal, like buy low, sell high, and AI crafts tailored trading rules. Meet your strategy agent on the right side of the chat page. This tool transforms your ideas into automated strategies, runs back tests, and simulates live market conditions through paper trading. Clear performance metrics and charts help you refine your approach before deploying real capital. Once your strategy is live or in simulation, the portfolio page offers real-time insights, profit and loss, active orders, and easy adjustment tools. Share your successful trades instantly on QuantClub or social media to spread the inspiration. Trading's better together, right? QuantClub links you with fellow traders. Under the Intelligence tab, our AI spots hot trading opportunities in real time. Jump into discussions, collab on strategies in the community, and level up with Quantphemes Academy tutorials on basics to advanced tactics. Finally, the profile page is your control hub. Manage your subscription, link your broker for live trading, and customize your experience. Homepage, chat, portfolio, QuantClub. It's your seamless path from idea to insight to execution. Explore our AI's full potential and ask for guidance anytime. Not registered yet? Click Get Started in the top right corner of the homepage, then sign up free. Your smarter trading journey starts here.